Cleaning and care. When the tube becomes clogged, it may seem that your device is not working. One of the accessories that comes with your device is a colored cleaning line. Use the line to clean the tube and tip by pushing the cleaning line through the tube. This helps to remove earwax, dry skin, and other debris from the tube and tip. Do not rinse or submerge any parts of your device in water. In general, moisture, including sweat, is the #1 reason for the failure of hearing instruments. To help reduce damage from moisture, try one of our patented drying appliances, like DryMax or Dry Dome. You can find them at www.dryandstore.com. Change the tips and tubes 2 or 3 times per year. When a tip or tube becomes soft, discolored, kinked, or damaged, replace it. Replacement tips and tubes are available at your retailer. Thank you.